That's the scrambler stance. The stance of scramblers. Scrambled eggs. Welcome back. We are doing a quick little test ride here of the new Royal Enfield Himalayan Scrambler. It's kind of tough to gauge. Interesting to walk. She's telling them to go, so that's good. Brakes are nice. It's weird as hell, man. The no mirrors either, so that's nice. Don't like that at all, actually. I didn't even realize that before getting on. Just gonna run up to Kent Falls quick and back. Of course, no brakes, or not no brakes, no mirrors. It's very weird. Pretty comfortable seat. Very comfortable seat. I thought when I asked him if he offered to let me take one when I showed up. And of course, I had just been on the bike for 90 plus minutes. So I said, maybe later. Of course I wanted to. I thought he was going to give me one of the ones from out front. No tack. That's interesting. I mean, I guess, like, you know, you're going off of sound anyway, but I could see this being a nice, like, commuter motorcycle. It's comfortable. I'm upright. More upright than I'm used to. There is a car behind me now, ways back. Which I think Kent Falls is coming up on the right anyway, which is where I wanted to go. Definitely doesn't have the grunt. Maybe he said it's got a lot longer gears than the regular Himalayan. This one's lighter, he said. I don't know anything about it. I think they like just released it or unveiled it not long ago. Maybe they unveiled it months ago, but they just started coming out, I guess. I just don't, maybe it's because the gears are so long. It's like I went up to 5th. I felt like I didn't really need to there. Oh wait, Kent Falls is on the left. No, it's up ahead. I like that directional indicator click in a lot more than mine. Where are you going, Florida? Neutral? There you go. I don't like that lean much. Oof. It's nice, honestly. Yeah, it's funny, the end of the brakes. Don't know. Don't know what to say about them. Not one bit. Yeah. Pretty neat. That's the scrambler stance. The stance of scramblers. Scrambled eggs. So I've seen them, they have the wind guards up on their hands here. Maybe that's the Himalayan. Excuse me. It's relaxed as hell, I will say, being this vertical. And I don't have my jacket on. It was hot as shit. Should have put it on. I'll put it on to go home because this is cold, going 50-ish. A little bit cold, not terrible. I dig it. I mean, it's comfortable. I can't flat foot it. That's another thing. Cannot flat foot. Yeah, I don't imagine that this is a thing that, like, you know, you're probably not trying to shift gears like crazy, you know, and that's why the gear ratios are longer. Like, you're more likely to just be tooling around in first and second gear if you're doing some off-road shit, you know, like going through that. That could be kind of cool. No idea what this bike is worth. I'd imagine it's less than mine, somewhat. Just because of the engine, but, you know, who knows? Hey, squirrel. Go, squirrel, go! Oh, can't check my mirrors to see if he got. Hey. It's all right. I like it. I ain't gonna buy it, but I like it. I haven't shifted gears in a minute, but that's, I think, the point of this. Just cruising, like, simply cruising. No one been behind me basically this whole time, which is just lovely. And I think we're getting back into Kent here. So we will slow down just a smidge. My biggest fear about this stuff is, well, obviously I don't want to drop the bike, right? That would suck. But navigating through these slow streets and, what are you doing, car? Just chilling? Okay. Where I had breakfast. The Villager, the something-er restaurant. Cheers, sir. Clutch is really nice. Don't have mirrors. Oh, they closed that off. No, you know what? We're gonna just go straight. She's stopping everybody. I think we're gonna call this part of the vlog here while I deal with all this crap.